All right, today what we got going is fish sandwiches. I got some fish fillets, tilapia. I had them frozen, I thawed them out. So I'm just gonna make a dry, like a dry rub, and then cook them in the convection toaster oven. Really simple, fast, and good. So the first thing is the, I guess you would call it batter, or the dredge. So some flour, and I like to use cornmeal because I like the texture, but you can omit that. So it's kind of 50-50-ish. And then some seasoning. And generally I like making everything myself, but I like this pretty good, Tony Chachere's. And I'm gonna add some of that. And then some garlic powder. And some onion powder. And then a little bit of cayenne to give it a little zip. That should be quite a bit of zip. And then mix it around. So anyway, now you just got your dredge. And then we're going to put these on French bread. And I'll make a really quick, kind of cheesy tartar sauce. It's good. I mean, it's fast. It's a quick, easy way out, but it's really not homemade. It's, well, I'll do it in a minute. So this, all I'm doing to make this stick is olive oil. And then keep one hand on the fish and one hand on everything else because you don't want cross-contamination. So then that's that. And this foil on the rack, I already put butter down and olive oil. And then, like I said, I'm just going to cook these in the toaster oven, convection toaster oven. And I've done these lots and lots. And they're really good. All right, so here is that. And then it's going to go in here on 450. Usually these things cook pretty quick, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops. All right, here is a really, really simple tartar sauce. You could make it by hand with pickles and all that kind of stuff, or you could just get Hines pickle relish, either sweet kind or just a regular kind. And it's good. I mean, it's okay. It's fast. So, and all I use, and you could add all kinds of stuff, but I keep mine real simple. So it's mayonnaise. This is a new one. Some relish. And it's easy enough to make a really good one. But I'm kind of under the gun here today, so. And that's some dill. And of course, if you have, dill growing outside or something, it's way better than the canned dill. And a little bit of apple cider vinegar. that's that. All right, so the fish is done. And then I got some French bread here. All right, some of that relish, tartar sauce. All right, now some shredded lettuce. All right. And there it is. It's probably going to burn my mouth, but let's give it a try. I need a towel. It's great. All right, so there's an easy one. Tastes good. Pretty fast. They cook in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes or something. And there's really nothing to it. Give it a try.